This is a demonstration for demo the wireless IR receiver for control the audio video device. Which one is Sony, for example, Sony CD player and the air condition. And for this one, this is the IR emitter. Okay. And for this one is the IR receiver, wireless IR receiver. For wireless IR receiver, the remote control signal, IR signal, and then transfer the IR to RF. Then after go to this one and this one, and to control the air condition and the device, because this product is very good, because the coverage is very huge, so that's why it can control everything. Okay, right now we start doing the demo. This is air condition remote control. See, right now I'm using the remote control to trigger the IR receiver there and to see it. And right now the air condition is off, right? And right now I trigger it. See, 1, 2, 3, go. See, one more time. I turn it off and then turn it on. See, it's working. And for using, how about to control the device, audio video device? Here I'm using the battery bank to power up the wireless IR receiver, emitter. Okay, it's a remote control. Right now the panel is off. Okay, turn on. And you can see the panel reloading. And then I press the play. It's called CD. Then I using this one to press the play button. Okay. Play. See? And then I press pause. Wait. Oh, my hand is now long. Wait. And then pause. And see, it pause. Okay, so this is the demo one. Using the wireless IR repeater to control the air condition and the audio device. And in the part 2, I will hook up this wireless IR receiver and repeater with Logitech Harmony Hub to see if it can control the device or not. Okay, thank you.